Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is EM&E Group to present ODIN Observe, Detect, Identify, and Neutralize 6x6 counter-drone system at Eurosatory as it expands defense technology portfolio. EM&E Group will present its new ODIN Observe, Detect, Identify, and Neutralize 6x6 counter-unmanned aerial system at Eurosatory 2026 in Paris. The Spanish Defense and Security Technology Group said it will also showcase its latest advances in ammunition guidance, optronics and robotics. The international exhibition will take place from June 15 to 19. EM&E Group will exhibit from booth F240G235 in Hall 6 of the Spain Pavilion. The group said its participation will highlight new counter-UAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems capabilities and broader defense technologies. It said the display also reflects its commitment to innovation, technology and European strategic autonomy. EM&E Group will present its robotic capabilities through the ODIN system. The company described it as a versatile multi-mission unmanned ground vehicle that can be adapted to different operational environments depending on its integrated payload. The ODIN can support missions including CBRN, surveillance and rescue operations. EM&E Group said the system forms part of its wider portfolio of robotic solutions for defense and security missions. The company will also display its Alcon guidance kits. These systems are designed to convert conventional ammunition into smart ammunition through GNSS Global Navigation Satellite System or Dual GNSS Global Navigation Satellite System and laser guidance. EM&E Group will also present mortar ammunition at the exhibition. Its optronics capabilities will be represented by the OTEOSS Optronic Tracking and Observation System Electro-Optical Identification and Tracking System. OTEOSS Optronic Tracking and Observation System allows operators to conduct surveillance tasks from fixed or mobile positions. The system is part of the group's broader range of sensor and observation technologies. The main new system at the exhibition will be ODIN Observe, Detect, Identify, and Neutralize 6x6, a comprehensive counter-drone solution integrated onto the Ferox vehicle. EM&E Group said the system combines drone detection, identification, soft-kill neutralization and hard-kill neutralization capabilities on a 6x6 armored vehicle. The vehicle configuration is intended to provide high tactical mobility and ballistic protection. EM&E Group said the combination allows ODIN Observe, Detect, Identify, and Neutralize 6x6 to operate as a mobile counter-UAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems platform. The company will also present the net and void metasurface on the vehicle. Developed by DAS Photonics, an EM&E Group company specializing in electronic warfare solutions, the infrared radar absorber is designed to act as a shield against enemy radars. EM&E Group said net and void provides the vehicle with greater protection against threats. The technology will be displayed as part of the ODIN 6x6 presentation. Other company systems will also be visible in different exhibition areas. These include the EMOC mortar carrier system and the Guardian 2.0 and Guardian LHIT remote weapon stations. EM&E Group said its participation in Eurosatory strengthens its international profile and its commitment to defense technology innovation. The company said its portfolio is aimed at the global market and supports European strategic autonomy and technological sovereignty. The group said it is positioning itself as a strong, competitive and independent global ally against future security challenges. Its Eurosatory display will focus on integrated systems intended to address operational needs in counter-drone defense, mobility, surveillance and precision effects. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.